Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, and welcome back to DIY with Madika. So guys, today I'm going to make kheer in Pakistan. Of course, yes, living here abroad, I have learned sort of how to make Indian food as well as Pakistan food. So guys, let's get started. So today I'm going to use only few ingredients. This is the simple, okay? So I'm going to use dry coconut, sugar 1 cup, raisin and rice paste. ये paste मैंने खुद घर बनाई है, ठीक है जी? आप भी बना सकती है आसानी है ना. So milk, now I'm bringing it to boil medium flame. So now I'm adding sugar. So I'm using fresh milk, not cream and so on, all kind of flavor, of course, yes. And I'm gonna add rice paste and I'm gonna keep stirring because I don't want any lumps to develop. Of course, yes, this is a kind of dessert that you have to babysit. Of course, you have to, because if you leave it go, of course, boiling ruin everything. So guys, so that's something that you'll need to be careful of and keep stirring like that. And in this part, if you like, guys, you can add some other nuts, okay? But if you're allergic to nuts, so please don't add it. You can just try simple like I did today, okay? So, and one thing I would like to say, guys, is that it's never too late to try and learn about different country, how they eat and so on, you know, like food, dessert, as well as no matter what spicy, chili, of course, try it. You never know. You never know what your destiny will be. But yes, as for me, I like cooking PK food as well because I've been living here for too long. So now, as you can see, I've been stirring it for about 10 minutes. And now it's become a little bit thicker because rice now has started to boil, and now it's done. So of course now I'm gonna cool it off before serving. Of course I like it nice and cold. That's what it is. And now of course it is ready, so you can serve it anytime you want. Is that a lunch or dinner time, dessert? So thank you guys for watching.